So here's a donation.
Oh, thank you. Is it
Hello, Merlin.
I don't know.
Oh, bud.
Yep, they'll eat anything like that.
Going, bud.
Oats and barley and grains. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, there's just
Yeah, that looks like our normal whole grains.
Oh, he just loves.
You know what? Just to make it easy, I'll just throw that in the tailgate on the truck and we can put it down. And he got looking for me and walking across the field and he ended up falling into this massive gopher hole. So then he fell right up to his chin and all of a sudden, here's all the grass. So then he realized, oh, holy shit, there's food under me. So now every time he goes to eat, he has to drop down to his knees and eat. Yeah, I know. He's blind, yeah.
There. He won't get sick, will he? Eating too much?
Yeah, in the time that we're going to be here, he won't eat too much. But they do get, from eating too many oats, they get bloat.
Okay.
So they need the roughage to kind of counteract. But
Okay, you chop
in the
him
amount
there.
that he's going to eat right now, he wouldn't have a problem.
Okay.
Hey,
A
handsome.
few more?
He's like, please more.
Please, more snacks. Daisy. Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. Daisy's blind.
I just want to tell you, Merlin, I never, ever, ever ate lamb. Neither have I. Poor goat.
You know what? Neither have I. Thought about it.
You gonna share?
That's the cutest thing.
Oh,
I know,
see?
he goes down on
Found
his
it.
knees.
I found that little pile. Okay. Oh my
Well, she knows you have snacks, so.
Oh, her hair is so soft.
Hers is, yeah. We have to bathe her a lot. She has issues with her skin, so.
She's like a
I
wire
brought you
brush.
some coconut oil, Lucy. She's shy.
Lucy,
She likes her belly rub.
Come and have a treat, sweetie.
Puss. Pussy.
Come on.
Kind of plain. Hers normally have molasses on them.
Oh, molasses. It's like, oh, this isn't interesting.
Come on, tail's still wagging. So she's happy.
She did also have a big breakfast, so.
Yeah? Oh, she's not hungry.
There we go.
There you go.
There you go.
Derek. Oh, I mean,
Whoops.
Gonna get your face.
Look at that. Aw, no dirt. Look at her when she goes like this.
They're smarter than dogs.
Yeah. They're smarter than most animals. They're actually like the third or fourth smartest animal on planet Earth.
Really?
Yeah. Most people don't know that. They have a pretty bad rap, but they are smart.
It's because we try to disconnect ourselves from it.
That's very true.
You know, you say, if you want to eat an animal, you're going to say they're stupid, right? Just to justify it.
And they're dirty. Yeah.
Maverick, you don't need to be in there. What are you doing? Yeah, we can go in and say hi to these guys.
Oh, so funny. Hi, guys. Try and get up on the thing. Okay, come on in.
Hi there.
Oh.
Look at him, hey? Look at you.
Oh,
just
that little
curious.
eye.
Oh, they know.
take a picture.
Yeah, they know it's a snack.
Sweetie.
Be nice to people, okay? The goats climb. They're like horrible manners.
They're all like, where's
Oh,
mine?
they're gonna bite right through the bag, Fred. Just put some on the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, they've already made a hole.
Um,
There you go.
They're all happy.
There, you guard this.
Oh, that's not my food.
There you go.
Lissa.
And he's quite large.
Yeah, Annabelle's a milk goat.
Oh, interesting.
So would her babies be taken away from her?
Yeah. Yeah, so they would have used her for milk. Her kids would have been removed.
What do they do with the kids?
It depends on the farm. Some of them will just call them. Some of them will sell them right away. Usually they'll sell like baby milk goats for, you know, 10, 15 bucks or something like that just to get rid of them.
10 or 15 bucks?
Some of them keep them and raise them and then just slaughter them, so they'll keep them for meat. It just depends on the farm.
Playing with us.
Hey, Milk. Mortimer, do you think that that's appropriate?
Look at Look at this. He's like resting against me. He like literally has all his weight against my leg. It's so sweet.
Whatever he needs to do to get that belly rub in.
Right?
That's funny.
Here, let's
Let's touch it up. Oh. Snarty, it's a person. Oh, very cool. Do you like that?
They both belly rubs, hey?
Yeah, they do. Look, you guys have lots left in this one.
Yeah, just needed to be flipped over.
What's wrong, lady? We like to give them lots of stuff to do in the summers. We always plant stuff in here like lettuce and things, so
Okay.
we can give them like fresh lettuce every day. We just plant it all around their coop, and then we try to plant vines that'll climb up so they have those things to peck and eat, like nasturtiums. They love nasturtiums. And then we put like cantaloupes on strings and like hang them from the tree, so then they like
Cute.
have to keep busy and bat them around.
Yeah.
So
Aw. I love the turkey.
yeah, she's awesome. I wish you could have met Ocean.
Oh. Me too.
These guys were pulled off a dead pile from an auction down in Innisfail.
A dead pile. Like they were just thrown.
They discard animals that are too sickly to sell it, and they get rid of them later. So, hi.
So they don't even euthanize them, they just throw them away like garbage?
Mhm. Yeah, we pulled 14 off out of a kennel that, or not a kennel, like a crate that they had thrown out at the. They used to be called like burn piles because they would just like literally light them on fire at the end of the day. But I don't think that they do that anymore. I think the SPCA is cracking down. They now have like veterinarians on site at a lot of auctions to make sure that the animals that are coming in are healthy, which is where we ended up getting Cooper from, because him and his brother were dropped off at auction full of biting and sucking lice and internal parasites, and they were very, very sick. And the veterinarian that was on site actually ended up taking them back to his clinic to try to find somewhere for them to go. The brother passed away that night, and then Cooper made it, but now he has like chronic pneumonia. And we've had him for like 8 months, and we've never been able to get rid of the pneumonia. So
Look how sweet.
Hmm.
She likes it.
I come back and see if we have snacks.
Right? Yeah, that's their kennel.
Yeah, I gave them 2 cantaloupes yesterday, and they just like plowed right through them. You're doing so good, Otis.
Yeah, Otis is doing good.
How are you, Otis?
He's-
Handsome.
I know, right?
I like your name.
And when we had him in at the vet, she thought, yeah, you know, he's a little uncomfortable walking, but it's not to the point where he's just like suffering and in pain. So, I mean, obviously he's still okay to walk. It's
Yeah.
just, they're not wool sheep. So eggs and Lou actually shed out their own. They have hair rather than wool, and they shed it out. So that's him just shedding it out. I don't do any of that.
Oh, that's natural.
Yeah, that's natural for them to do.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's not like me doing a bad shear job.
That's so cool.
Hey, eggs.
Like a dog